So in today's video on amazing developments happening right here in Ghana, I'm bringing you this youth-focused endeavor by the Ghanaian President John Mahama. This project is both bold and a visionary undertaking, which is the National Apprenticeship Program. This project, once it was initiated, promised to be massive, but flew under the radar for many people in the country. It has become a revolution and lifeline for thousands of young Ghanaians eager to build sustainable futures for themselves. The National Apprenticeship Program has already made a remarkable stride, enrolling 15,000 trainees in its pilot phase. That shows you how daring the project is. So join me today as we explore how this program is tackling youth unemployment, bridging the skills gap and fueling economic progress. Before we delve into this very exciting details, please hit the like button to support this channel and also to inform others, and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. Let's get into this youth-focused initiative. In April 2025, President John Mahama stood before the nation and told us a powerful vision he had to empower Ghana's youth by equipping them with the tools to thrive in a rapidly evolving economy. But many people did not see the impact that this project has. The president recognized that youth unemployment, which is standing at 12.6%, with nearly 29% of young people not engaged in education, employment or training, is a massive challenge that demands urgent action. The National Apprenticeship Program was born from this realization. It is a dynamic government-led initiative designed to provide young Ghanaians with practical industry-relevant skills, and this has a robust 300 million Ghana cedi allocation in the 2025 budget. The program also offers free high-quality training and monthly stipends to ease financial pressures, ensuring its accessibility for all, from agriculture to manufacturing to information and also communication technology, fashion as well, construction, renewable energy and traditional crafts. The National Apprenticeship Program is preparing a workforce ready to meet the demands of a modern globalized economy. And the exciting part is, it is totally free and providing such valuable skills, just grooming the workforce in the country. What even makes this initiative truly remarkable is its inclusivity, welcoming everyone from school dropouts to university graduates, ensuring that every Ghanaian, regardless of their background, has a pathway to success. In the Bono region, which this project is making current strides, the National Apprenticeship Program is already a beacon of progress, demonstrating the transformative power of a targeted investment in human capital. The dedicated regional coordinator, who is Adam Ibrahim, shared an inspiring insight about the program's early successes. From a pool of 6,000 enthusiastic applicants, 700 trainees have been carefully selected to embark on this life-changing journey, with the rest of them not even left out. But this is just the pilot phase. These apprentices represent all 12 administrative districts and municipalities in the region. They will be learning trades as well as building sustainable livelihoods under the mentorship of 136 skilled master trainers. These young Ghanaians will be mastering competency-based skills in critical sectors such as manufacturing, construction and traditional crafts. As the regional coordinator emphasized, the importance of discipline and commitment is urgent in these trainees to seize the opportunity to transform their lives and contribute to Ghana's growth. For those who weren't selected as well, he urged that this is just the initial phase. He offered a compelling message of hope that the program is expanding and more opportunities are on the way. This reflects the government's unwavering commitment to ensuring that every young person in Bono, every young person in Ghana, has a chance to shine. The National Apprenticeship Program is not just a regional success, as it is a nationwide movement gaining unstoppable momentum. In its pilot phase, the program has already surpassed its initial target of 10,000 trainees, having to enroll an impressive 15,000 young Ghanaians across various training models. This shows you that there is promise in this initiative. The achievement underscores the government's dedication to scaling up opportunities and addressing the skills gap that has long hindered economic progress. The National Apprenticeship Program offers more than just the training, as it provides nationally recognized certifications that open the doors to employment or self-employment in priority sectors. This is such an amazing initiative, and every Ghanaian has to know about this. Whether it's a young woman in Tamale learning to design sustainable fashion, a young man in Kumasi mastering renewable energy technologies, or an apprentice in Sunyani perfecting traditional craftsmanship, the program is creating pathways to prosperity. And by aligning training with the needs of Ghana's growing industries, the National Apprenticeship Program is ensuring that its beneficiaries are not just job ready, but equipped to innovate, lead and drive economic transformation. At the heart of the National Apprenticeship Program is a commitment to quality training, delivered by skilled master trainers, handpicked by the government, who serve as mentors, role models, and catalysts for change. And in the Bono region alone, 136 master trainers have been engaged to guide apprentices, sharing their expertise and fostering a culture of excellence. These trainers are not just impacting technical skills, they are also instilling values of hard work, creativity, and resilience, as they were handpicked by the government because of their qualifications. The program's competency-based approach ensures that the trainees gain hands-on experience, preparing them to meet the demands of the real-world industries, from constructing energy-efficient buildings to developing cutting-edge ICT solutions. These apprentices are learning to solve practical challenges that will shape Ghana's future. The involvement of the master trainers also strengthens the local economy, as their expertise creates a ripple effect, uplifting entire communities through knowledge sharing and skills development. The various regional coordinators' leaderships serve as a powerful call to action for both the trainees and the broader community. The Bono coordinator in particular passionately encouraged apprentices to approach their training with seriousness and dedication, recognizing that this opportunity is a stepping stone to a brighter future. And this is what is exciting the most, because their skills will be felt in the nation once they master their crafts. Sectors like agriculture, manufacturing, and renewable energy are critical to Ghana's growth, and this National Apprenticeship Program is particularly focusing on those areas that are in need in Ghana, ensuring that the young people will be equipped to drive progress in these areas. As the National Apprenticeship Program continues to expand, its impact is only beginning to unfold. The initial success of enrolling 15,000 trainees nationwide is a powerful indicator of what's possible when vision, resources, and commitment come together. In the Bono region, the 700 apprentices and 136 master trainers are laying the foundation for a brighter, more prosperous future. Across Ghana, thousands are joining this movement, each one a testament to the power of opportunity and hard work. This National Apprenticeship Program isn't to be slept on, as it has potential, fostering innovation and building a nation where every young person can thrive. And the current president's vision is clear. Ghana is at a point where no one is supposed to be left behind, where skills are the currency of progress, and the government involving in the country's workforce is the same thing as investing in the economy. At the heart of the National Apprenticeship Program, we are reminded of an incredible potential that lies within Ghana's youth. President John Mahama's leadership has set this in motion to be a transformative initiative that is already changing lives, from bustling streets of Sunyani to rural communities in the Bono region and beyond. With 15,000 trainees already enrolled and a goal of 100,000 more each year, the National Apprenticeship Program is a beacon of hope for generations eager to make a mark. The apprentices, master trainers, and communities supporting this project know that they are part of something historic. It's a movement that will be shaping Ghana's future for decades to come. What are your thoughts on the apprenticeship program and the 15,000 trainees already enrolled in the initial phase? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, stay tuned to this channel for more stories of progress. Hit the like button and share this content to inform others. Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so as not to miss any detail I bring to you on this channel. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.